Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compact circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Skil 5080-01 13 amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw, which is the budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $34.99, this saw offers a solid, no-frills design for those who need dependable performance without breaking the bank. With a 13 amp motor, it delivers impressive cutting power for its price, making it suitable for DIYers and occasional users tackling basic woodcutting tasks. The Skil 5080-01 features a 51-degree bevel capacity with positive stops, allowing you to make angled cuts. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Unirana 4-amp 3500 RPM mini circular saw with laser guide, priced at $39.99. This compact saw is designed for precision cuts in wood, plastic, and laminate flooring, making it ideal for detailed DIY projects. Its 4-amp motor delivers a respectable no-load speed of 3,500 RPM, allowing clean and efficient cuts through various materials. The standout feature here is the laser guide, which helps users achieve accurate, straight cuts with ease. It also includes a depth gauge lever for adjusting the cutting depth, and the bevel lever allows angled cuts up to 45 degrees. A vacuum adapter keeps your workspace clean, which is a thoughtful touch for maintaining visibility and reducing dust buildup. Although compact and lightweight, the Unirana saw still manages to feel sturdy, with ergonomic soft grips for comfortable one-handed operation. While the Unirana excels in convenience and precision, it's worth noting that its cutting capacity is slightly lower than larger models, maxing out at 1/5/8 inches at 90 degrees. It's not built for heavy-duty construction, but for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists, it's a reliable tool at an attractive price point. At rank number 3, we have the DeWalt Mini Circular Saw, a cordless model priced at $58.64. This saw is ideal for those who prioritize portability and ease of use. Its powerful copper motor delivers a no-load speed of 3,400 RPM, making it great for cutting through wood and other materials. Equipped with 2 blades, 24T and 60T, this saw offers versatility for both finer and rougher cuts. The laser guide and rip guide ensure precise cuts, whether you're working on straight lines or beveled edges. It has a maximum cutting depth of 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees, making it suitable for most common cutting tasks. The ergonomic design, featuring a soft rubber handle, ensures comfortable one-handed operation, while the lightweight construction reduces user fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the cordless functionality allows you to work anywhere without worrying about power outlets. While the DeWalt Mini Circular Saw offers great convenience, its battery life could be a limitation for long projects, as it comes with a single 2.0H battery. However, for DIY enthusiasts looking for a compact, portable, and versatile tool, this saw hits the sweet spot between performance and affordability. Ranked number 2 is the Aliexpress Pro 4-amp 3,500 RPM circular saw with laser guide, priced at $41.99. This corded compact saw combines affordability with a robust set of features, making it a standout option for budget-conscious buyers who still want advanced functionality. The 4-amp motor delivers a solid 3,500 RPM, allowing it to effortlessly cut through wood, PVC tubing, and laminate flooring. The Aliexpress Pro features a laser guide and scale ruler, ensuring high-precision cuts for straight lines and angles. Its bevel lever allows adjustments up to 45 degrees for versatile cutting applications. The depth gauge lever supports cuts up to 1 11/16 inches, and its vacuum adapter keeps the workspace clean, making it easier to focus on your task. Despite its compact design, the build quality feels durable, with ergonomic soft handles for comfortable handling during longer sessions. One downside is that it's corded, which could limit mobility compared to cordless models. Also, while the Galax Pro is powerful and precise, it may not be suitable for heavy industrial use. However, for DIYers and casual users seeking an affordable yet capable saw, the Galax Pro offers fantastic value with a professional-grade feel. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw, 4.5-inch, tool-only, DCS 571B, priced at $155.90. This premium compact saw is a powerhouse, designed for professionals and serious DIYers alike. With its brushless motor, this saw can cut up to 369 linear feet of 3/4-inch OSB on a single charge, with a DCB 205 battery sold separately. Its electronic blade brake adds an extra layer of safety by stopping the blade quickly after use. The DeWalt Atomic features a removable auxiliary handle for enhanced control and comfort, while the bevel gear allows precise angled cuts at 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Onboard blade key storage simplifies blade changes, and the dust port helps maintain a clean work environment. The saw's lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, even during extended jobs. Additionally, the hang hook allows convenient storage when not in use. The main drawback of this saw is its price and the fact that batteries are sold separately, which adds to the overall cost. However, for those who need a reliable, high-performing tool for demanding projects, the DeWalt Atomic is worth every penny. It's the ultimate combination of power, precision, and convenience, earning its spot as the best compact circular saw on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.